start by one of the most common pains that we hear from our customers. So even having all the resources to keep traceability and streamline model communication in BIMcollab, my process still doesn't work that well because there is not enough information in the issues. You see the issue recreated in the model, but you still don't know which milestone it belongs to, or what is the deadline, or even who is the team member assigned to it. Not enough context to enable other stakeholders to take action to actually solve the issue. And this lack of information also affects the dashboards, as without data, dashboards are not correctly reflecting the project status. And that applies both for the in-app dashboards and to the ones created using our Power BI connection. So to help you to structure your workflow and make sure that all the data that you need is present in every issue, you can make use of the mandatory fields. In your project settings, you can choose which fields have to be filled in when creating the issue. So if there is no data there, it won't be possible to create it. So if you need that information to be always available, with the mandatory fields, there's no way to skip it. It will always be there. Another thing that we also see quite often is that many times the standard issue fields are not enough, as it is important to have extra inputs coming from the project team. There are some companies that need to add internal coding, others need to have the cost impact input, and some others want to keep track of the regulatory reference in discussion within the issues, for example. Every company will have their own custom needs, and that's exactly why you can create your own custom fields. This way you can keep your data centralized and use it further to track your issues, to keep traceability, or use the data in your own custom dashboards. Okay, so in your BIMcollab space, in your own project, you have the settings tab, and it's there that you can make all the settings that we have now seen. So the mandatory fields can be found in here, and it's as easy as selecting the fields that you want to make mandatory. And once that is done, there's no way to create the issue without filling in that specific field. And also you can decide on your custom fields. So you can use all the 4 custom fields, or you can decide to use only 2. And what type of custom field do you want to use? So here is to decide how many you want to use, but to create them, it is in the issue management set. There you go to custom, and you can set up the name of the field, the options that you'll make available for each one of them, or just the title for the text field, kind of custom field.